What is up, my friends and family? I'm Charmx, and today I'm going to be reacting to YTP Crate unboxing the Charmx by N-Rank. Now, N-Rank made another video which was called Charmx unboxing the crate, or the crates, I believe, and it was a pretty funny YouTube poop, so I guess this is another YouTube poop, but it's like a sequel or something like that, so I'm not really sure. I guess we're gonna find out, but with that being said, the original link's in the description. Make sure you go subscribe to N-Rank, that link is also in the description. And with that being said, let's begin! Let's This video is sauce. Fuck. Let's be virgin. Let's begin. Let's fuck crates. Really? What was it? Let's be virgin. Let's be gay. Let's fuck crates. Seriously? Quote of the year. You fucking. But in the end, it doesn't even matter.
And just like me.
Yo, that's awesome. So let's unbox a crate. Fucking lamp, stupid lamp. I'm Charmx, reacting to Charmx naked photo. And with that being said, go fuck yourself. Did you hurt my virginity? Alright guys, I hope you liked this video. I know it was short. I really wish it was longer because I shouldn't have said that. That sounds so dirty. Anyway, I hope you guys liked this video nonetheless. And if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Possibly share it with a friend. If you do, subscribe to join the family today. And also go subscribe to N-Rank. With that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Boop!